Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 3035 Market Street. Okay, fantastic. Located near the center of the city. This is located right on Market Street in the Upper Market, Upper Castro neighborhood, and just a short walk to 18th and Castro for lots of food and drinks and fun nearby. Okay, there is actually easy parking in this neighborhood. Here is the front of the building. This unit is actually located on the very top floor, and you have a beautiful red door with glass panes. And here is a wood staircase. Let's step on up. By the way, there is a private full-size laundry room off the street level. So it's not in unit, but it is private to this unit. And here's a glass door leading up to the unit. You're going to notice beautiful hardwood floors. And here we are stepping into the unit. All right. Kitchen is directly ahead of us. We have a restroom and small room to the right. A big foyer right here. That would be fun if you had a nice big piece of art. Okay, let's step into this is actually the front-facing bedroom. You'll notice it is carpeted. And there is a closet. I have a double pane window right here overlooking Market Street. You still will get a little bit of road noise, just an FYI, but if you have any ambient sound going like a television or a radio, I'm sure that you won't hear that street at all. Okay, but it is double pane window, so that really helps cut down on that noise. Okay, here is a large butcher block kitchen island and a top mount fridge, bottom mount freezer. A beautiful gas range, big vented hood. That's really industrial. We have a granite tile countertop and a nice dishwasher, single sink. Looks like nice view from the kitchen sink too. That's always nice to look out of the window. A little bit of a pantry situation right here, and lots of cabinets in this center island here. Okay, that is the living room, dining room, kitchen combination. Here is the restroom. We have a tub shower combination with a sliding glass door. And a smaller bedroom towards the rear with a large walk-in closet. And at nighttime, I imagine this would be some pretty good views over the hills of San Francisco. Nice deep walk-in closet right there. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.